Hello everybody, welcome back to the Food and Drink Chronicles, and today I'm unboxing an Ooni Karu. This is a 16-inch pizza cooker. Let's do this. This is a heavy box, so yeah, it's got some weight to it. Maybe probably take a couple people to lift it. Yeah, I'm gonna open it up right now and I'm gonna put this thing together. Now I heard it should take about an hour to put together. But yeah, I'm gonna try to take this thing out of here. It's a little bit moist, I guess, from sitting outside. Maybe it got rained on in the morning, but packaging does not seem like it's in good order, but that's okay. Guess I'm just gonna have to rip into it. Oh, there we go. Oh, that didn't go so well. All right, this should be a good unboxing experience. Definitely not the easiest thing to take out. All right, it's finally out of the box. Well, out of the cardboard box. All right, so whenever you open it up, you're gonna be greeted with a little lid. So this is the Ooni lid. There's a lot of weird looking pebbles in here. That's interesting. That's what was making all that noise. All these weird little bead things. I don't know if y'all can see that. This is the stone. So part of the stone right there. I'm sure it's fragile. The other big piece of the stone probably makes for a lot of weight because this is a very big stone right here. There's some Ooni booklets, assembly manual. Definitely gonna need that later. It's a big assembly manual. Whatever this is, some sort of gasket top. And now the big machine itself. Oh! All right, so inside we have temperature gauge, an Ooni plate, some bracketses that you'll probably need for later, and a package of screws. I'm assuming that this next box is the little pipe that sticks out. That's exactly what that is. So our pipage. I'd say so far the actual Ooni itself is not very heavy. I think the stones is probably the most heaviest part of the entire thing. That looks like something to open up to put the wood in, whatever this is. So pretty easy, you get some legs on here. All you gotta do is kick them out and boom, you have legs. Okay, so this is what the massacre looks like. There's a lot to unpack here. And back there I actually got a box of the wood with the fire starters and all that. This is just to clean the actual oven. We're gonna let it heat up for about half an hour here and then we're gonna go in and clean it. All right, the first thing we're doing is we're adding a layer of charcoal, and we got to add in our little fire starter, and we got to top it off with some wood. And that is what you want to see. We're cooking with fire. All right, so first pizza out of the gate. Could be better. Well, that's gonna do it for this unboxing of the Ooni Karu 16. If you guys want to see us, actually like make some really good pizzas, then you're gonna want to subscribe to this channel and ring the bell for notifications. Anyways, that's gonna do it. Thanks for watching. Food and Drink Chronicles out.